My sister was using it yesterday, so I'm not put it back. My MacBook. So we take out all of the like 2 weeks.
I don't know, my question is, I'm sure you don't know either, so like. This one, like, this is what we're looking.
In Star Trek Voyager, because it's really just a reskin of Star Trek Next Generation.
Yeah, because they use the same here.
Voyager is the one with the Arcana, right?
Just the one on the space.
No, that's not just.
So.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. No, but here's the thing, like, a lot of them, like, okay, so instead of having a robot or an android, they have a hologram. Okay. Instead of having a Vulcan, they have a Borg. It's just like, you can clearly map all of the, like, little things to characters, and like, no, seriously, and like, some of the episodes are nearly identical. Like, you remember the episode in The Next Generation where Data is different inside of Data's room. And he had rights. They do the exact same episode with the hologram. I'm like, come on. Some of them are just like rebranding. Maybe? I don't actually remember much about it. I think I saw it.
10 years after. Anyways, we'll stop.
Okay, so
Unless there is a dire
okay, so consuming power. If your power value is positive, you are generating power. If negative, you consume. Right? Yeah, okay, so generally speaking, that's because if you're and the reason for that is because okay, think of it as a resistor for a second. If you can think of a resistor both as generating and consuming power depending on which direction you're crossing. So if you're crossing from the positive side to the negative side, and there's a drop, and so your voltage difference would be negative because the place you're going to is smaller than the place you came from. So the place you're going to minus the place you came from is a negative.
So in the end, I don't really care how you do it.
Just like autistic. Yeah. So if you're moving to a place where there is less potential, then you consume power. If you're moving to a place with more potential, then you generate power. Even if that's not explicitly true, that's still how you think. So how, it's about that. How does it determine the direction of voltage?
Just like watch.
That's the same thing, it's just a really terrible way to do
We basically established that
Good. Good.
It's a lot.
I'm doing,
So, yeah.
who does I
And I think the tough part about this problem is
Yeah.
there's no set way to do it.
Yeah,
But
but yeah, my other situation is that I transfer a whole time.
So our IM guys,
So that's like freshman.
But what?
you're here for IM, right?
Now.
Oh, no. Yeah, with that.
Yeah, so it says IM 2600 is what you're.
Oh, yeah. I feel like,
so have you done like broad exercises yet?
I haven't known.
yeah, that's what.
Interesting. Interesting how to do something.
It's something like really small. I'm pretty sure you know.
Okay.
It's something like,
I'll give it a try.
Okay, so-
Worst case scenario, stand there and go.
yeah.
Who excel?
Why do they do like be able to do
So what are you trying to do here?
It's like, yeah, like that, like I'm just following. So they sort of, they can just.
Okay, so what you want to do is grab all your information.
Say like 4 times.
Okay, can you open this
Make
back
sure
up?
that you can find it.
Wherever it was.
And then, doing the dot slash and just bring up.
Oh, yes.
I don't know, because I.
Yeah, yeah. So, that's part of what I was doing.
Oh, is that this better than the other one? Yeah. So which band is that? Devin, which band is that?
So.
Which is the other band? Hey Anna, is other band gonna be in tonight? You're killing me, boss. Maybe. We're gonna keep working on this and see if we can figure it out. Give it a couple of
Like, I
minutes.
think we can practice, but I mean, we can observe, or you can say like, wait,
So here's what I
or
would
then I think it's fine.
I would set it up every
So I'm gonna do it like this.
and then get it background colors in CSS. And from there, start spraying everything out.
Oh, you're okay.
That makes sense. That way you can rough it out. You don't have to make everything perfect right away. You'll just have boxes and spell out colors, like, but. That might be helpful.
So,
It's up to you.
well, yeah.
So I use it like.
No, so.
And I was
And then what the context.
I'm not sure what it's trying to do, but I think that it's trying to
That's
to just give you to just send it out of that so that you can do the math. While you're writing in the formula, it's not going to do crap. But it's
Color, everything's different. So I do the same thing, just lay it out where
oh, well, then that would be.
So, but it saves you time because that way you know exactly.
Aha, okay. Okay, so that's what it wanted. Okay, so do you know what those dollar signs mean?
Everything laid out.
I mean, I'm pretty sure.
Each splash box.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
How do you do it?
So you hit function, and while holding down function, you hit F4.
So,
Yep, that's it. And then you press enter. So what those dollar signs mean is that it's saying, so that if you drag them down, because like if you put in an equation, you can have it make an algorithm that will tell it what to do just by dragging the box down. And so like, if you wanted to divide this number by this number every time, and so you always want to divide whichever number is in this column by this number right here. When you do that, what you're saying is, yep. So when you drag it down, it takes all of these numbers for the corresponding row, but it always uses that number at the very bottom as the one you drag. Yep. Yeah. So that was the way that was worded is bad. So that's not really the program. But yeah, so what it wanted was function before. Yep. So you hold function down and then you hit 4.
Yeah.
Because what that does is every time you hit 4, it goes to the next type of reference. And so there are like 6 or 7 of them. But the first one you hit is an abstract reference. You can also type it in by hand, but they probably don't want you to do that because it's boring.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Yeah. It is. Okay, so when you have the arrow, the tail is at the high end. So you're pointing to the lower voltage. What you're saying is that the voltage is this compared to this one. So they're going to give you a positive number, and they're saying that this one is that much higher than this one. They're comparing. It should be.
How Flexbox works too. So
I think. Don't fault it.
we have the name date on this, right?
I would definitely recommend looking
So
at
what
it.
you want to do
It looks thinner
is
too.
two things like this. Because that was have in here stretch low.
It's the black you're wearing right now, so
You want to see the side and not short. And then you put the flex inside.
Yes, I heard them.
So what we did.
I'm not like an idiot. Yep. You see this?
Hello.
Is that you?
Yes.
What are you working
Excel. I just need validation.
I can probably.
You're beautiful.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're beautiful and worthy of love.
I think my teacher's the same. There.
That is possible. That is however not my place.
Well, yeah, yes.
So this made me not have that one.
But look, it just sucks. You know how it's like you don't have the last week? No, they just keep going. What do you do about that?
And it won't look.
Oh,
It's really nice. Like, I actually I don't just sit around all the time. It's great. As crazy as that sounds, I really do enjoy actually working. It makes you feel less guilty.
You have all that knowledge in your head.
Okay, what do we do?
Alright.
This is like the first
Excellent.
What is the point of the assignment?
You want to just open up the whole thing? Well, you'll see my reasoning here. So.
Do you want?
It's still weird to see you.
Are you leaving here?
I just got here.
Totally.
You know, it's my baby food.
Cool thing that this does. Boom. And you don't have the overlap problems.
Yeah, it just doesn't sit usually, but that's okay.